So this comment right here asked me how did I do the spring locks on FNAF movie Night 5. So I'm gonna explain it. So first, I did edit this video on Microsoft Clipchamp. So and it's free, so not sponsored or anything, but yeah. But yep, it's free. I don't know where you can find it on. This is a Microsoft computer, but whatever. For the actual sound, hello.
Abby! Chicken-a-go!
So for the actual sound, it's called Metal Thud. You can find it on the audio library on YouTube Studios, and download it. And it won't give you any copyright issues, And if you want this app, you could get it on Microsoft store, not sponsored. And in the bottom left corner is where the FNAF movie plush Night 5 is at. So yeah, if you want to watch it. And leave me comments if you got any questions, and I'll make a video. Okay, bye.